In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Webull Desktop. Logging out of the Webull Desktop app is quick, and it's an important habit for keeping your account secure, especially if you use a shared or work computer. Closing the window isn't the same as signing out, so I'll show you exactly where to click to properly end your session. With the Webull Desktop app open, direct your attention to the very top right corner of the window. This is your account area. You'll typically see your profile avatar, your initials, or an account icon up there. Right beside it, look for a small downward-facing arrow, sometimes called a chevron. That tiny arrow is the menu trigger we need. Go ahead and click that down arrow. The moment you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu collects a handful of account-related options, and among them, you'll see Log Out. Click Log Out. That's it. You've signed out. After you click Log Out, Webull will end your active session and bring you back to the sign-in screen. The next time you open the app, you'll be prompted to enter your login details again, and if you use multi-factor authentication, you'll be asked for that as well. Your watch lists, layouts, and other personalized settings are tied to your account, so they'll be ready for you when you sign back in. Logging out won't close positions or cancel open orders. It simply secures your access to the platform until you return. If you ever have trouble spotting the arrow, remember that it's always in the upper right corner alongside your account indicator. Depending on your theme or window size, it may be subtle, but it will still be that small downward arrow to the right of your profile area. The menu that appears is designed to be simple, and Log Out is clearly labeled to help you confirm you're in the right place. Before you log out, it's a good idea to finish what you're doing, like reviewing charts or saving notes, so you're not interrupted mid-task. And when you're done trading for the day, clicking Log Out is the cleanest way to wrap up and protect your account from unauthorized access. To recap in plain terms, click the down arrow in the top right corner, then click Log Out in the drop-down. A couple of clicks, and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you now know the fastest and most reliable way to log out of the Webull Desktop app and keep your account secure.